Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! First, we calculate the heat gained by the water using the formula Q equals mc delta T. Multiply the mass, specific heat, and temperature change to find the energy. Next, we apply the law of conservation of energy. The heat lost by the metal must equal the heat gained by the water, so we set those two values equal. Finally, rearrange the equation to solve for the metal's specific heat. Divide the heat by the mass and temperature change of the metal to get 0.46, option C.